How to change Instagram business category. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Instagram business category. So let's get started. You can go to instagram.com on your mobile phone, or you can open it up on your laptop. For the purpose of the video, I have opened up my Instagram on my laptop right here. You can do this on your iOS or Android phone, and it's really easy to change the category of your business on Instagram. For this, you will require a business account first, so you can go to your profile right here and simply go to the settings. If you do not have a business account, then you can create one, and I'll actually show you how to create a business account. But first, let's get straight to the point. If you already have a business account, then you can just click on your profile right here at the top right corner, or you can click on your profile on your mobile phone. Then you have to click on your settings. It will take you right here where we have edit profile, professional account, change password, and others. So you have to click on professional account, and it will show you all of the details about your account that you have. On Instagram, whenever we create a business account, it actually asks us that what category we are going for. And you can see in our settings, we have category, and I have selected product and services. But let's say I want to change this category. So it's actually really easy. You will just go to the settings in a professional account, category, click on change. So it will show you all of the different categories that we can go for. And we can change our category from the category we selected while creating this account. So I went with product and services, but I actually deal with health and beauty products. So I want to change the category from this to this. Just select the category and then click on done. And your category on Instagram will be changed. You can also display the category label if you want on your profile, or you can simply uncheck this option. This is my public business information, and I have changed my category. I have saved this, and what I can do is I can click on submit now, and this information will be saved. You can see professional account settings saved. Now, if I go back to my account, and we'll get back to the option, and I'll show you if it's changed or not. So again, I'm going to click on profile, then settings, click on professional account, and this time I have health and beauty. I can change it again now. It's actually really easy, and it does not have a limit that you cannot change your account category or something like that. So this is how you can change your business category on Instagram. If you do not have a business account, then let me show you how to create one. So I'll switch back to my personal account on Instagram. So now this is my personal account. Click on profile, go to settings, and here you have to scroll all the way down to switch to professional account. Click right here. Now we have to select if we want to create a public creators account or a business account. Creators account and a business account is different. Best for public figure content producers and artists, and then we have business. Best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organization, and service providers. We're going to select business and click on next. Then we have best for retailers. Learn about your followers. We will be getting our insights. We can create ads, and we can also get our own email, and we can add our contact button. Click on next, and then we can select the category. Keep in mind, this is the category that you select for the first time while creating an account. So I can choose to show the category on my profile, so I'm going to do that. And I can now select like personal blog. We have product and services, art, musician and band, shopping and retail, health and beauty, and grocery store. So this time I'm going to go ahead and create one for shopping and retail. Click on done. This is the category that I'm selecting. Alright, so here we have to enter some of our contact information, and we can add our email address like this, and then I can enter a phone number, select a code that you want to go for, and then you will enter the phone number, street address, and your town. You can also click on don't use my contact info. When you're creating a business account, then I will suggest using the contact information, and you can also show this on your profile. If you want to show your email and phone number on your profile, then you will click on show contact info. So I'm not going to select that option for now, but I have entered my email, and I will enter my phone number and then click on save. After that, we have our own business account ready. You can see you now have more tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. Go to the mobile app to learn about this. This is my, name follower with insights, and we can also manage our new business with our business suite. Meta provides a Meta Business Suite where we can manage our Facebook business and our Instagram business really easily. We can create our ads, we can simply create, campaigns, and we can do a lot more. Click on done and your profile will be ready, and it will take us to the profile that I showed you in the start. And I can go to the professional account now, and it will show me my account category, which this is the one I selected, and then I can change it again. This is how you can change a business category on Instagram, and you can also create a business account really easily. It's actually really easy. Just, sign into your Instagram app, or you can go to instagram.com. Keep in mind, this is the account that I'm going for, and once you make your personal account, professional, then it becomes public, and all of the posts that you have, it will be shared with public, and you can then change it. Of course, you will change your profile picture. You can change your name right here, and then you can change your username. You can also enter a website and add a bio about your business that you have. Just not changing the category, but also adding your business, about your business and the category you deal in. Add information in your bio. And with that, you will have a professional account on Instagram. So if I show you right now the profile I changed into a business account, this was a personal, test profile that I have for the videos, and I just changed it to a business profile. And you can see I have shopping and retail right here. This is my category. This is my category for the business, and I showed you how to change it by just simply going to the profile. Now, it depends on you, what kind of business you are running. You will customize your profile, you will customize your business account, and again, you can manage it with Meta Business Suite. You can connect your account if you already have your Meta, center. For example, if I take you to the settings, since Facebook and Instagram both are owned by Meta, we have our own Meta account center. So whenever you create a business account on Instagram, I will highly suggest simply connecting it to your Meta account center. It's more secure, and it gives you a one center from where you can create ads, campaigns, create posts, you can schedule posts, and it gives you a lot more features to manage your Instagram account. As you can see, control settings for connected experiences across Instagram, the Facebook app, and Messenger, including story, post sharing, and logging in. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.